true when I say so, say so, say so. Shoot it up, shoot it up.
This shit be like this every day. This shit be like this.
And not 100 rounds. Talking pussy, get bored, nigga gonna down. We got sticks on top of sticks that make that cannon sound. I'm pimpin' bitches, you can fuck, she pull the panty down. I got killer young niggas with the fed around. They'll chop your head out, they'll do it now. I'll take it one call, I can do it now. I just made that one call, I gotta get it now. I'm whipping, no flipping, no stretching, no serving that work. These niggas ain't seeing me. These bitches, they loving me. VVA bust down.
Gang, what's up, gang? We outside. They might be a little dry. I don't know. But y'all to the vibe, we outside. Hey man, isn't that they feel finna then we do this tie with my boy, my little young nigga. You know what I'm saying? It costs to play, y'all, that's all I'ma say. You gotta pay to play, you feel me? But we gonna do this tie for my little young nigga and got down. After that, shit might pop out or some shit. I rode this blunt a little too tight, I might undo this. But yeah, in the meantime, I'm trying to tell y'all, make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. We're finna go over Right House. And if you seen the previous vlog from yesterday, or the previous vlog, you know we were doing the tire train and we ended up around the bike and all type of other shit. So today we're gonna go do this little nigga tie real quick. And hell, whatever the rest of the day consists of, that's just what it consists of. So, meantime, like I say, y'all make sure y'all like, share, comment, some motherfucking subscribe. I'm gonna get to y'all. We get over to the rock down spot, man.
Trapping out the back door, trapping out the back door, working out the bando, trapping out the back door, trying to get a bankroll, trying to get a bankroll, ready to be the bankroll, ready to be the bankroll, trapping out the back door, trapping out the back door, working out the bando, trapping out the bando, trying to get a bankroll, trying to get a bankroll, ready to be the LO, ready to be the LO, trapping out the back door, trapping out the back door, working out the bando, trapping out the bando, trying to get a bankroll, trying to make a mirror, ready to be the bankroll.
Gang, what's poppin', gang? Alright, we over here, man. That's what's going on. We finna gonna take the tires off. I came out here the other day, I ain't losing these boats already. Y'all can see them. I ain't losing both of them boats. I done have the size for this shit. For the bit nut on that. Nor this nut. So, I brought my other tool. This is my monkey wrench. I usually take that off and the front one. And like I said, we're gonna knock this shit out real quick, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, these are the tires you got for them. It's a used Franco, but they slick like good condition. Like I said, I seen that they had like a little chip in the other video. There you go. Right there, as you can see, like somebody done pinched it. Like, nah, that's a new one. No, here go the other one. The other one. That's the one right here, as you see. Somebody done pinched it, but that don't matter, because it's gonna be on end tube. You got the end tube. I don't know if this is the end tube or not. I don't know what this shit for. It may be here, maybe not. But I don't know, we're gonna see. I don't know if it's a brand new one, it looks like. I don't know what it is. But in the meantime, y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. We're gonna go ahead and get into this shit. You know what I'm saying? We got everything. Go ahead and get the tires off. You know what I'm saying? So, on the 125. What year is it? Let's see what year is this motherfucker. It gotta be. If I can find a bin, I can tell you. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2009. 2009 YG 125. Yeah, I see the vibes, man. If we're gonna take the tires off, we're gonna get right back with y'all. So we're gonna get the tires off. I'm gonna try to take y'all through the route, through the process there. I ain't gonna try to make it too long, cause we got too many tie videos. This shit was unexpected, so we just gonna go and knock this shit out and see what the fuck we get into. Alright, guys, we got tires off, but look what happened. I wish I was recording just so y'all could see what really happened. Look what happened when I took the front tire. You know, I took the bolts and shit off. And look how the bike really just fell on his face. He really fell on the front wheel, on the fender front wheel. But that's funny, you know. Shit, I'm gonna pop my ass, I ain't gonna even lie. But as y'all see, we got the front. Got the front wheel off. It's for flat. Here's the front guy. And let me see if I can put the camera right. Put the motherfucker so I can get this bike up real quick, y'all. Hold on. Alright, get this bike up. Come on, y'all. Alright, what the fuck? Wait, my nigga go with. Might even go forward with it. Okay, park wheel, I got park wheel. There we go. But wait a minute, this bitch still. Wait a minute. Oh shit. Okay. Cool. Yeah, it's not on there. Damn it. I guess, my bad, y'all. The bike ain't on the ground. I got the bike right. It's even. It's on the chair. I know at my house would have to stand and shit. But, boom. I'm trying extra for this shit, though. Yeah. So, boom. As y'all see, we got the tire on. As y'all see, boom. Front tire. Back tire. Like I told y'all in the last video, you want to take these spacers out. And what I like to do is to put them back on the same side I took them off for. That's the left side. This the right side. See what I'm saying? Put them somewhere you know where you're going, whether you won't lose them. That's how it look once you take it off on both sides and shit in there. But boom, I like to take them off so I won't lose them. Normally, I put it back up on here so I won't lose it, but nobody, while ain't nobody here, I'm gonna try to go and knock this shit out real fast. Yeah. See how fast we'll take the tires off. I'm gonna try to go and pop this shit off real fast and goddamn go from there. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm looking all around and shit. This shit all over the place. Well, not really, but my mind all over the place. But that makes y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. We finna goddamn get into this shit. Go ahead and bust these tires down real quick. Those right there. Yes, let's see. Alright, guys. So we on the back tire right now. I done got the wheel lock, the bead lock, or the wheel lock, whichever one you wanna call it. You can be called it whichever one. I got that put on. I got this took off. Unscrewed. And what? But as I noticed when I was coming over here to the stem, it could be why you shit flat, bro. Cause whoever put this on, one of these nuts going inside of the rim and one go outside, not both. And you can actually see how your inner tube is creaky, it's leaning. So, you know, I'm pretty sure that's what the fuck happened. One of them going inside and one of them going outside. So we're gonna take this shit all the way off. And boom, there you go. Push that shit through. There we go. So we're gonna go over to the front too. We're gonna do the front. Hey, you see the front? Wow, you gotta do it the same way. You don't do that shit, dog. One going inside of the rim, one going outside of the rim. It actually look like people a bike. Let me see where his fucking shit at. Yeah, you can't really see. I don't know if you can see it, but it's shit one. That's how that go. So we're gonna loosen this shit real quick and we're gonna get back with y'all in just a minute. And I'm also doing two of them at one time. Like I'm trying to just go on and knock both of them off at the same time. But in the meantime, y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, so look, check me out. I'm gonna show y'all my little, not really a secret, but a little trick to the game. I'm gonna show y'all. So, here's what I got going on. I got my soap and water. You know, I put a hole in at the top, shake it up, or whatever the case is. You know what I'm saying? But that's my soap and water, so shit. I'm gonna get both of the tires. I'm gonna pop both of the tires over at one time. And the trick with the soap and water shit, it got down, it gonna make taking that shit off so much easier and faster. That shit gonna come off like power. You ain't gotta use, yeah, but I'm telling you, that shit like lubricant, you know what I'm saying? So, but you wanna make sure this shit, you wanna make sure that shit ain't stuck. You know what I'm saying? You wanna make sure that shit ain't stuck. Also the other side, see, this the end tube. God damn, dog. Go in there, put your shit on. They got them motherfuckers. Yeah, tight. Y'all, I'm gonna be right back with y'all, cause this shit. Oh, you know what? This tire here, I'm tripping, y'all. This tire got iron. I gotta take that one out. Take that out, that motherfucker. So we're gonna get like a little thumb. We get like a little screw, thumb. Bleed that out. Get out of that out. So yeah, but in the meantime, y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. I gotta change the battery on this motherfucker. I can't even tell y'all how much battery life in this shit. This shit dead as hell. But it's finna die, so I'm finna change the battery in this motherfucker. I'm gonna get back with y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how to use this soap and water shit. I'm gonna show y'all how to eat that shit here. And then I'm doing 2 at one time though. Y'all see how fast I'm finna do this shit. I'm laying out one on. So, in the meantime, y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm finna go get the other battery, swap the battery out. So, now I'm just let them go dead. And then go from there. But you see, once you let it out, the stem, you see, it go in. Oh yeah, and over there. Yeah, it go in now. First it was hard as hell. But you wanna let all that out, this motherfucker. As much until it can go, the shit can go in like that. So, get my iron, put this up. And you wanna make sure you got the right tool too, so. I'm gonna bring shit over here, but I'm gonna throw them down over there. So, but you know what? While we at it, you know what? While we at it, fuck it. I'm gonna just go ahead and throw them down right now. So that's what we do. We just gonna grease them up. You just wanna put the soap and water. Like I said, this is soap and water now. Dish detergent fluid. Boom. You wanna just put that shit in. Boom. Boom. Just like that. Boom. Just like that, right? Like I said, it don't need to take much. You wanna just put it on up in there. Boom. It don't take much. Boom. Yeah, like I said, it don't take much. Yeah, boom. Goddamn, then you do the other side. Boom. And then that thing up. Like I said, it's gone. What that do, that lubricate the bead. So in the meantime, I'm gonna change the battery out in the camera, and then we're gonna get back with y'all once I pop this shit off. Gang, we back. Full battery too. So look, while I had swap the battery out, I had done went on ahead and did the tire. So that's what you do. You go ahead and pop the tire on the end, you pop the rim on the inside of the bead. I mean, the inside of the tire. On both sides. You feel me? Put them on both sides. So now my next thing to do to really just keep the rim out the tire. Like that. Just like that. You know what I'm saying? Let's drop 10 times each. Boom. So now what we do, we'll drop this tire right here. Boom. Boom. So what we gonna do first? That's what we're gonna do first. Oh shit. What we gonna do first? What you gonna do first? We're gonna move that shit out of the way. Move this shit out of the way. You know what? I'm gonna move all the way out of the way. I'm gonna use my workspace nowhere. Yeah, guy. Alright. So look, first, what we're gonna do? First, what you wanna do? You wanna pop. You wanna take. You know what I'm saying? You wanna actually pop the bead off the rim. So you wanna go around this motherfucker. You wanna go around this motherfucker just like this. On both sides. 4-3-6. This is the front side now. I already did back. 4-3-6. Now the bead locking in everything. Then boom, to the other side. Anyway. They say I can't even get in there. Cause it's still locked on to the bead lock. So teach y'all how to make this shit 10 times even. Even if the tire already look flat. Off the rim. Any of that. Still do this shit. Still do this shit, right? That's the whole side of the tire. So now I should be able to push into the tire like this. Around both sides, like, you feel me? Push into the tire. So, y'all see me put the little water shit in there. So I ain't even gonna do that shit. I'm gonna come over here, I'm hot as hell. But look, so, boom, I'm hot as fuck, y'all. So like I said, That's that. I can push it in the top. It's off the beat. Know what I'm gonna do? I can use this one and pop the tire. Y'all see the tire? How I said put the rim on the inside of the tire. The bead lock still inside of here. This way it lock up it inside the rim. You got to pop that out and put that on the outside and let the rim be inside the tire. And then you just kick that motherfucker through. You ain't right to kick it through, you just push it through. But I'm hot now because of that little bead part. But in the meantime, I'm trying to tell y'all like, so come and subscribe. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop it off around. And I'm gonna let y'all get a little sneak peek of how easy it is. So, do y'all think? Then one side down, y'all can see. There's one side inside the tire. The other side got to go in. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. And it's just hot in this garage and it's hot outside, so I'm sweating bullets as y'all see. Finna probably come up out this shirt. But in the meantime, make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. Shoot when I say so, shoot it up, shoot it up. Talking pussy, get for it, nigga gonna down. We got sticks on top of sticks that make that cannon sound. I'm pimpin' bitches, you can fuck, she pull the panty down. I got killer young niggas with the thread around. They'll chop your head out, they'll do it now. All it take is one call, I can do it now. I just made that one call, I gotta get it now. I'm whipping, no flipping, no stretching, no serving that work. These niggas ain't seeing me. These bitches, they loving me. VVA bust down.